Imagine a life where your monthly bills are covered by your passive income streams and you don't even have to touch your salary. Sounds like a dream? Well, it's possible. Let's dive into the details. Firstly, let's quickly revisit what passive income is. Passive income is money earned with minimal effort through various ventures, investments, or sources that require little to no daily involvement. Now, imagine having enough passive income to cover your monthly expenses. That's the sweet spot we're aiming for. To kick things off, let's discuss the power of passive income. It allows you to break free from the traditional 9-to-5 grind and provides financial flexibility. By strategically building and diversifying passive income streams, you can create a robust financial foundation that eventually covers your living expenses. There are several avenues for generating passive income, from dividends and rental properties to online businesses and royalties. The key is to find what suits your skills, interests, and risk tolerance. Diversifying across multiple streams can provide stability and resilience against market fluctuations. Now let's talk about setting the foundation for this financial journey. It starts with a clear understanding of your current financial situation, including your monthly expenses, debt obligations, and savings goals. Creating a detailed budget is crucial to identify areas where you can cut costs and redirect funds towards building passive income. Before diving headfirst into building passive income, ensure you have an emergency fund in place. This fund acts as a safety net, covering unexpected expenses and preventing you from dipping into your passive income sources during tough times. Once you've assessed your financial situation, it's time to start building those passive income streams. Whether it's investing in dividend-paying stocks, real estate, or starting an online business, the key is to be consistent and patient. Passive income doesn't happen overnight, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Let's take a closer look at one popular passive income strategy: investing in dividend stocks. Imagine building a portfolio of quality dividend-paying companies. As these companies distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders, you start receiving regular dividend payments. Over time, as you reinvest those dividends, your passive income snowballs. Another powerful avenue is real estate investment. Whether it's rental properties or real estate crowdfunding, the potential for generating passive income through property is substantial. However, it's essential to conduct thorough research, understand market trends, and manage your properties effectively. Now, let's fast forward to the point where your passive income covers your monthly expenses, freeing you from reliance on your salary. Achieving this financial freedom requires discipline, strategic planning, and a long-term mindset. Let's break down the steps to reach this milestone. Start by aggressively tackling high-interest debt. Clearing outstanding debts reduces financial stress and frees up more funds for building passive income. It's a critical step towards achieving a debt-free lifestyle. Investing plays a pivotal role in this journey. Whether it's the stock market, real estate, or other investment vehicles, your money should be working for you. Regularly contribute to your investment accounts and consider rebalancing your portfolio to align with your financial goals. As your passive income grows, you might have the flexibility to explore part-time work or pursue a passion project. This not only provides additional income, but also enhances your overall life satisfaction. It's about creating a lifestyle that aligns with your values. It's crucial to continuously monitor your passive income streams and make adjustments as needed. Economic conditions, market trends, and personal circumstances can change. Being proactive in managing your finances ensures a sustainable and resilient financial future. Building passive income is not just about the numbers. It's also about cultivating the right mindset. Embrace a mindset of abundance, continuous learning, and resilience. Understand that setbacks are part of the journey, and each challenge is an opportunity for growth. A positive mindset can propel you towards financial success. As you embark on this journey, consider the impact on future generations. Building generational wealth involves strategic planning and passing on financial knowledge. Explore options such as trust funds, estate planning, and teaching financial literacy to ensure a lasting legacy of financial empowerment. Let's explore the concept of early retirement enabled by passive income. Many individuals have successfully retired early by building robust passive income streams. We'll discuss the strategies they employed, the challenges they faced, and the freedom they now enjoy in retirement. The financial landscape is dynamic, and what works today might not be as effective tomorrow. How can individuals stay informed, continuously learn, and adapt their passive income strategies to evolving market conditions? Embracing a mindset of continuous learning is key. Stay informed about market trends, emerging opportunities, and changes in regulations. Attend financial workshops, read relevant literature, and consider seeking advice from financial professionals. Being proactive and adaptable is essential in the journey towards financial freedom. Before we wrap up, let's touch on the importance of tax efficiency in your journey towards financial freedom. As your passive income grows, understanding tax implications becomes crucial. Explore tax-efficient investment strategies, take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts, and consider consulting a tax professional to optimize your financial situation. Let's explore the world of online businesses as a source of passive income. Whether it's affiliate marketing, creating digital products, or building a blog, the online space offers numerous opportunities. With dedication and strategic planning, an online business can become a significant contributor to your passive income portfolio. Now, let's dive into some of the questions from our community. Remember, your journey is unique, and it's okay to tailor these strategies to fit your individual circumstances. If you have questions or want specific topics covered in future episodes, drop them in the comments below, and we'll make sure to address them. Before we part ways, I encourage each of you to set specific financial goals for the next 6 months, 1 year, and beyond. Whether it's increasing your passive income, paying off a certain amount of debt, or exploring a new investment opportunity, having clear goals provides direction and motivation on your financial journey. In conclusion, the path to having your expenses covered by passive income is not only achievable, but also immensely rewarding. It's about taking intentional steps towards financial freedom, making informed decisions, and staying committed to your goals. Thank you for joining us today. And remember, financial empowerment is a journey, not a destination. Until next time, stay financially savvy. If you enjoyed today's episode, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more insightful content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. We're here to support each other on this financial journey. Take care, and see you in the next episode.